This video is on how to make tax payment using ePay Tax functionality on the e-filing portal. ePay Tax service is a new functionality on the e-filing portal where the entire chain of activities related to payment of taxes, that is generation of challan form, making tax payment and recording the payment history, are available on the portal itself. In this video, we will see how do we generate a challan and how do we make a tax payment using different modes, that is net banking, debit card, over the counter, NEFT, RTGS and payment gateway on the e-filing portal. The ePay Tax functionality is available both in the pre-login as well as post-login mode. If you want to make the tax payment in the pre-login mode, you should have a valid and an active PAN or TAN number and any valid mobile number. However, if you want to go post-login, which is a preferable mode of payment, you should be a registered user on the e-filing portal. Let us now see step by step how do we make the tax payment in the post-login mode. To access the post-login mode, you are first required to log in to the e-filing portal using your valid username and password. Post-login, go to e-file and then go to ePay Tax. On the ePay Tax page, for making a tax payment, you are required to click on New Payment. However, in case you have already saved a challan, you can go to Save Drafts. For your payments that have already been made, you can go to Generated Challans and Payment History. Once you click on New Payment, you can see the list of authorized banks. Now, post clicking on New Payment, you will see various tiles depending on the kind of tax which is applicable to you. You can choose the relevant tile and then click on Proceed button. You're required to select the assessment year and the type of payment, that is the minor head, and then click on Continue button. Here you're required to enter the breakup of tax, surcharge, cess, interest, penalty and others, and then click on Continue button. Now you're required to choose the mode of payment as net banking, debit card, pay at bank counter, RTGS, NEFT or payment gateway. Let us now see the different modes of payment one by one. If you select net banking, you can choose the bank. If the list is not available in the list of banks, you can click on Other Bank and then click on Continue button. Please note that the taxpayers having bank account with an authorized bank can only use net banking mode of payment. There is no transaction charge or fee applicable on making tax payment through this mode. For the banks which do not have net banking facility, you can use the payment gateway or NEFT RTGS option. After having chosen the mode of payment, you can check the tax breakup details and then click on Pay Now. You would be required to agree to the terms and conditions and then submit to bank. You will be redirected to the website of the selected bank where you can log in and make the tax payment. After the tax payment, you will be redirected to the income tax portal where you can verify your challan payment details by downloading the challan. Let us now see the next mode of payment, that is payment through debit card. Once you select the debit card mode of payment, you can find the names of the authorized banks which are offering this mode. If you have a debit card of the relevant bank, you can select the bank and then click on Continue button. In case you do not have the debit card of the authorized banks who are offering collection through their debit card, you may select the payment gateway mode. After having selected the relevant bank, you can preview the payment details and the tax breakup details and click on Pay Now. You would be required to agree to the terms and conditions and then click on Submit to Bank. After having added your debit card details in the relevant bank portal and making the payment of tax, you will be redirected to the income tax portal where you can download the challan. Let us now move to the next mode of payment, that is payment at bank counter. Please note that this option cannot be used by a taxpayer being a company or a person other than company to whom provisions of Section 44AB are applicable. This is as per the notification of CBDT. Please note that the taxpayers who wish to opt to this mode of payment are required to carry a signed copy of the challan form along with the payment instrument to the bank branch which has been selected authorized bank for the payment. Also, please note that the tax payment of more than rupees 10,000 in cash is not allowed under this mode. However, no transaction charges or fee is applicable for making tax payment through this mode. If you choose the Pay at Bank Counter mode, you are required to select the radio button whether you want to make the payment through cash, check or demand draft, and then select the bank at which you would like to make the payment. Please note that the Pay at Bank Counter option is available for the branches of authorized banks only. For other banks, you can use NEFT or RTGS option. After having selected the payment through a particular instrument, you can click on Continue button. You're now required to download the challan and visit the bank branch to complete the payment. Let us now move to the next mode, that is payment through RTGS or NEFT. Under this mode, you can make the tax payment through any bank having RTGS or NEFT facility. Taxpayers are required to create a mandate form and make the payment either through bank's website or take a printout of the mandate form and visit the bank branch for payment. Here, bank charges will be applicable as per the terms and conditions prescribed by the respective originator bank. You can select the mode of payment and then click on Continue button. You're required to download the mandate form and then either make the payment through net banking or visit the bank branch for the purpose of making the tax payment. Here, challan identification number will be as per NEFT RTGS settlement cycle of RBI. Let us now move to the next mode of payment, that is payment through payment gateway. This mode provides a wide range of payment options to the taxpayer, including net banking, debit card, credit card and UPI. The selected payment gateway will redirect to its own page and provide the options which are available with that gateway. Please note that the transaction charges will be applicable over and above the tax amount in this mode. The taxpayers are advised to compare the transaction charges before selecting the payment gateway and the payment option. After having selected the payment gateway, you can click on Continue button. In the meantime, you can also compare the payment gateway charges. You have the access to the preview. Please check the payment details and the tax breakup details and then click on Pay Now. You're required to agree to the terms and conditions of the payment gateway and then click on Submit to Bank. After the tax payment, you will be redirected to the income tax portal where you can download the challan. You would be able to also view the challan details in the payment history menu on the ePay tax page. Let us now move to steps to create challan in the pre-login mode. If you wish to make the tax payment in the pre-login mode, you can click on ePay tax in the quick links section of the income tax portal. Here you are required to enter your PAN or the TAN number and then enter your mobile number. You will be getting an OTP on the mobile number. Please enter the 6-digit OTP. Please note that this OTP will be valid for 15 minutes only and you will have 3 attempts to enter the correct OTP. After entering the OTP, you can click on Continue button. Once the OTP will be verified, you can click on Continue to make the new payment. Depending on the category of your PAN, you will be able to select from the payment categories. Please note that you cannot save the draft challan in the pre-login mode. If you wish to save a draft, you will be required to go to the post-login mode and create a challan form. Making the tax payment on the e-filing portal is very easy. To know more, you can visit our website www.incometax.gov.in or contact our helpline numbers.